This is a MCQ type problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is the product of the perpendicular from the point x1 y1 on the straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is given by 4 options are given here. Okay, we have to find the product of the perpendicular distance from the point on the two straight line represented by the pair of straight line. Okay, let first two straight line are y this is equal to m1x and another are y this is equal to m2x. Okay, since these two represent this pair of straight line, so we compare this and the product of this. Before comparing the product with the given equation, we take common b from here, because if we multiply y minus m1x into y minus m2x, then we get the coefficient of y square, this is equal to 1. Okay, so we compare with the given equation by taking common b from this relation and getting the relation, this is y square plus 2h by b into xy plus a by b into x square. Okay, now comparing both sides, we get m1 plus m2, this is equal to minus 2h by b, right, and m1 into m2, this is equal to a by b. These two are relation of m1 and m2, right. Now we find the perpendicular distance from this point to this straight line, which is given by clearly y1 minus m1 x1 by root under 1 plus m1 square, and that of the second is y2 minus, sorry, this is also y1 because the point is same, y1 minus m2x1 by root under 1 plus m2 square. Okay, now we get by multiplying these two factors on the numerator, we get the same result as this. Okay, so we write directly, this is y1 square plus 2h by b into x1 y1 plus a by b into x1 square by, and from the denominator we get, by multiplying these two factors, we get 1 plus, this is m1 m2 whole square plus m1 square plus m2 square, right. So we get on the upper side of the fraction, this is a x1 square plus 2h x1 y1 plus b y1 square by, this is b into root under, this is 1 plus m1 into m2, this means a by b, so we get a square by b square plus, from here we get, this is m1 plus m2 whole square minus 2 m1 m2, right. So we put the value directly from here, this is 4h square by b square minus 2 into a by b. Clearly these three terms, if we taking common b square from the root, we get a x1 square plus 2h x1 y1 plus b y1 square by b and b cancel out, from here we take common b in the lower side, so we get the relation here, this is b square plus a square minus 2ab, so this is a minus b whole square plus we get 4h square. Okay, so our answer is answer number C. This is the correct option for this problem. This is very, very simple but important problem of pair of straight line. Okay, thank you for watching.